Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Now today is a very exciting day because this little man gets a wardrobe upgrade. You excited? So yes, it's mad to say that my dog has his own wardrobe, but currently it is in the loft, which is very dark. It's hard for me to pick out his clothes when we're shooting. So I thought, as his clothes are ever growing, it is mental how many he now has. I thought I would move everything into this spare room I have on my top floor. It's nice and light and bright. So Carter's gonna have his own walk-in wardrobe. And he doesn't even know it. So I'm gonna show you, I don't think I've ever shown you his old wardrobe, but then I'm gonna move everything over into here, and then I'm gonna give you a tour of his new, very own doggy walk-in wardrobe. Carter, do you want to show him into your old dressing room? Come on then. In you go. In there. Good boy. Right, so guys, as you can see, it is very dark. So this is my little storage area here, but take them through then. Go through into your dressing room. Yeah, that's it. So in here, I have a little controller to turn some tiny lights on. They always never sync. Look, watch. One goes on, the other one goes off. Ah! Oh, let's just keep that one on. But anyway, so Carter, what have we got here? No, you want to be shy? So we have several rails of clothes on the floor. Excuse the mess. Every time I shoot, I just throw stuff back in. And it's because it's quite dark in here, it's quite hard to manage it all. But I'm going to move all of that and organise it all. We've got boxes of stuff here. And we actually have a dog bed that you can't really see around the corner that I'm going to move into there as well. So we're going to update your wardrobe. Right, let's get cracking. Need a little water break, didn't we, Carts? It's been absolutely freezing here over the past couple of weeks, and the day we choose to do this, it's boiling, and we're on the 3rd floor, so it's like, I've got the window open, but it's quite hot today. Now, going through with his shorts, organising them so we can put them into his new drawers. Oh my god, I completely forgot about this. And I have to share this story with you. I think I have a video. If I do, I'll put it next to this. But these shorts, right? I just got back a couple of weeks ago from Dubai, and I was packing really quick. I decided last minute to go, so I was coming upstairs getting all my holiday clothes, which were in the same kind of area as Carter's wardrobe, and I was throwing stuff in the case. You okay? Rehydrated? And I was throwing stuff in the case, and basically when I got to Dubai, my second day we went to a beach club, and I took these with me, what I thought were mine. I put them on, and as I was walking out the door, my friend was like, nah, Carl. And I was like, what? And she was like, you've got Carter's shorts on? So yeah, I'm basically stealing my dog's shorts and taking them to Dubai with me. Right, lots more to do. Come on, let's crack on. And we are done. I say we, I mean me, because Carter has just sat and watched me the whole time. Obviously he's a dog, but he's just sat on his new little throne that he's got and just watched this room come together. It's quite crazy actually to think that my dog has his very own walk-in wardrobe. I just sent a picture of the room to my partner and my parents, and they were like, God help us, what has this world come to? But I'm not going to keep you waiting any longer. Here is a little tour of Carter's new walk-in wardrobe. So, he is absolutely loving his new little throne at the end of the room. Do you like your new wardrobe? Is this yours? Is this your own walk-in wardrobe? Yeah? Is it? Should we show him around? Right, so let's start over here. So we wanted his own little waiting room. I might have got a little table here to put some stuff on, but we've got a little Louis Vuitton magazine for when people come to watch him change. Then on the floor, to break up the herringbone flooring, we've gone for this kind of funky little rug. Very Carter style, so you can't see the hairs because he's got white hairs. Then to the clothes. So you're all dying to see the clothes. So there's lots of them. Now with the clothes, just to explain, these aren't actually dog clothes. I buy him human clothes. So I wear a small and he wears a medium because I don't like them being tight on him. He doesn't mind wearing clothes. He actually enjoys it. But if they were tight, it would obviously be uncomfortable. So I get him a medium. So we've got all of his jumpers here and hoodies as well. All in colour order. So we've got loads of jumpers. We've got his shirts and t-shirts. Moving on, we now have also a little box of props. So when we do shoots, sometimes we buy props for them. So we've got like a king's crown, got a Superman t-shirt, flag. We've got like elf ears for Christmas, bandanas. It's got sleep masks. So yeah, just kind of any prop a dog could wear, or sometimes a dog can't wear. We have them in there, so when we get campaigns and stuff, we can really go all out. And then he's got more props actually in this Louis Vuitton box over here as well. Got this nice little lamp over there for ambient lighting. Now this is just perfect now. I got this made about a year ago. It's got his name there. If you've ever watched Matilda, I feel like this is like Miss Trunchbull's house, where she has that big kind of portrait of herself in the living room. Carter has his very own portrait for now his very own walk-in wardrobe dressing room. This was a sofa from DFS, a dog sofa. Now it matches mine down in the living room, but it was way too big to put in my living room, so it's kind of sat in the loft and never been used. But as you can see, Carter is really enjoying it, so I'm glad now it's being put to good use. Over here, the lighting is really bad, so apologies, because we have a velour window here, and these windows where the light is beaming in. But we've got suits and jackets. Now with kind of his clothes, he's got far more jackets than that, but basically because I get either a small and a medium or an extra small and a small, sometimes they seem to make their way into my wardrobe, like the trunks earlier when I went to Dubai. But I steal my dog's clothes, or he steals mine. I don't know how that works, but basically a lot of them make their way into my walk-in wardrobe downstairs because I just sometimes wear a small or sometimes wear a medium. So sometimes they just don't make their way back into his wardrobe. And yeah, I need to kind of sort that out because this is now where they shall live. We've got a little box of Carter's stuff here. All of his toys and stuff. Another little Saint Laurent picture. What are you doing? Can you turn around? Oh, you just done a Trump. Did you just do a Trump? That smells. Ugh. Anyway, sorry, apologies for that. We've got his comedy drama award that I gave him because he is a drama queen. Again, more of these pictures, a Dior Louis Vuitton one. I just feel like they fit now this room so well. His own little glasses collection. Then in these drawers, we've got all of his shorts that he wears, like the trousers that I cut into shorts. So we've got denim, we've got white ones, navy, we've got his PJs, green, and then the bottom one is actually spare trousers that I don't use anymore, that if needed I can cut them into shorts. And then in here we have his kind of little grooming bits really. So his brush, so he looks nice and groomed for shoots. He gets really dirty ears, so I find this stuff, I got it on Amazon, it's really good for cleaning out his ears. These tablets are a godsend. Garlic and I can never say it, fenugreek. I might have said that wrong, correct me, sorry. But basically these really help with Carter's skin. We've got detangling spray. I do also have the deodorant spray of this, but as you can see it's not in here because we've run out, because like what he just did, he farts a lot, so he stinks. And a lead, pop that back in there. And finally, oh, I've also got this mirror as well for when he wants to look at himself. And then in this box, probably Carter's favourite box. Carter, what's in here? Ooh, this is his box of treats. So normally when we shoot, I use these little tasty minis because they're really small, so I can just give him a couple at a time when he's being a good boy. And then when we finish finish the shoot, I give him a bone because he's been a good boy, so he gets a bone to finish it off. So let's pop that back on there and turn this around. Let's go and join him. Where are you? You gonna turn around to finish up this video with me? Sit up then. Oh, 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 let's move your bum. That's it. Oh, you're not tired because you didn't do anything, did you? But what do you think of your new dressing room? Eh? Mwah. It is obviously absolutely mental that this is Carter's dressing room, but I feel like it makes life easier for me. Piggy! It makes life easier for me for when I'm shooting, and I guess this room, it kind of annoyed me that it was empty and not being used. So now, I mean, it's being put to good use, I guess, as my dog's dressing room. But let me know what you think. You're probably all gonna comment saying I'm absolutely crazy, but I kind of half expect that. So yeah, let me know what you think down in the comments box below, and don't forget to please give it a thumbs up. And if they are a new subscriber, what should they do? They should subscribe. And I guess that's it. I'm absolutely exhausted. I need to go and get some food. My mouth is so dry because it's quite warm today. But I shall see you all. You're blocking my arm. I can't say goodbye. I shall see you all. We shall see you all on the next video, won't we? Mwah. Say bye. Bye. Mwah.